Now hiring for the NFL experience. Jewelry box. Whoo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages. Here we are at another storage unit. I bought this one for $5. Reason why is because I'm not lazy. Everybody was scared to buy this one. They thought it was not going to be worth their time or whatever it is, no hidden treasure. But the fact is, if you could take $5 and turn it into lots of money, why not do it? With that being said, let's get to it. Yeah, this is the unit. Not really bad. Do you think, Scott? $5?
I like it.
I don't know why, with everybody there, they didn't want to bid on this. Like, it just seemed, it's all profit. Everything you see, like, there's a picture, that's worth $5. There's a chair, that's worth $5.
Sweet.
There's a folding table, those are priceless.
We just doubled our money.
Each one of those are worth $5. Look at that.
Monitors.
No, that's actually nice monitors.
That's actually really nice monitors.
And a hard drive. That's probably a $25 box.
Box? $5 each?
Well, what would you sell them for? $10.
Damn it! We going to show me the other two.
Box of those. Okay, maybe they're worth 10 or 15. This goes with the conference table. Just sold one of those whiteboards the other day for $8. It's a print, that's worth $5 to $10. Cisco Systems, that's a good brand. Cisco 3700. I do not know the value of that. That's like a router or a switch or a modem or something. Cabling, that's like $3. Ooh, you know what? I think we're gonna get lucky in here. Look at, see this type of stuff? That's a few bucks right there. All that antique paper.
Oh, that's cool. She's pretty.
Yeah, it's almost, it's painted, isn't it? I don't know. I like the way this cabinet looks. This handle's old.
Oh, sheet music.
I don't, is it sheet music or is it vintage paper that, yeah, it might be, right. Piano music, all right. We got a whole thing of piano music here. That's cool though, something like that. People. Yeah, but look what it's for. Now hiring for the NFL experience. Interesting.
Rollies. Curtain thingies?
What do you use this for?
Curtains?
Okay. Oh, you make your curtain size and stuff? Nice. A couple little desks here, a couple little L-shapers. Got another one here. One of the things that intrigued me to buy this unit was I saw that trunk right there.
That's shiesty.
Ooh, look at that. Nice household stuff. Not bad for an NFL unit. The trunk. Why I bought this unit? Let's see what's in there. Looks like hooker boots. Looks like clothes. We got bouncy balls. I want to bounce those right now. And clothes.
Nice. Let's find out. It feels heavy. Books.
Cool books, huh?
That's a cool book. Old Bible.
No. History of architecture.
That's kind of cool.
It was cool. We broke it. We ruined it, everybody.
There goes $5.
Please don't yell at us in the comment sections for ruining that book. Okay, yell at us in the comment sections. It's signed.
Happy birthday, Elizabeth. Knife.
No.
What? Okay.
We did not bring a knife. I think Jeremy's rubbing off on me. You're gonna lose the key right there.
Keys. Sorry, folks. Did not mean to curse. Look at that. Brand spanking new. In the box, we have a monitor.
Yeah.
Monitor.
That's the monitor. No, this is stand. It's just the stand. You can't stand boxes like that.
Cabinets or something. It's a Gallant. You can Google Gallant. Oh, it's right there.
But it has a
No, that's not it.
motorcycle sticker on it. Is it a wire rack?
It's Gallant.
It's an IKEA.
Picture on the side.
Okay.
You can't really see it. It's like the same thing that's down there.
Laptop docking station.
See?
Ooh, we're just going through this unit. There seems to be lots of wood. Seems to be It's kind of very business orientated, obviously. The cubicles, we're discussing now whether we're going to take this all to the flea market or put it in a unit and sell it on Craigslist.
Come on, bricks of gold.
I'll take money. Ooh, it's locked. It's a safe.
It's a safe.
Found safe.
Oh man, it's too strong for me. How do you do that? How do you do so strong?
Ooh, what did he have locked up in here? Come on, money. Bags of money, please.
I feel paperwork and books.
Important documents. Ooh. It's crack lighter.
It's crack-a-lackin'. It's crack-a-lackin' with that crack lighter.
That's all right. We'll find gold in the $1,300 10x20.
There's gold in Dimdar Hills.
What else do we have? Oh, yeah, little teaser here, ladies and gentlemen. I bought a unit for $7 grand the other day.
It's got drugs in it.
Yep, drugs.
Anti-diarrhea drugs.
Ooh, that's the good stuff.
Advil. Eye-drops.
He really enjoyed this personal paperwork, whatever this is. His gym stuff. He had this all locked up.
We found money.
$1.
Ooh,
A doll hair?
One more, we gotta split it. Look at those pretty clothes. Broken.
Careful. All right. That was almost fun unboxing there, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to Storage Scott right there. If you guys didn't know, he's here with me. We got this unit together. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel.
Hold on. We found something.
Ooh.
Ooh, check that out. This is a 16th century Buddha from the Taiwan era.
You know, honestly, it probably is actually a real one. Because you know why? If you look at this stuff here, the way it's made, what people did is they go to these areas and they cut these off of them. Doesn't look like a Pier 1 Imports because of the stand or nothing. It actually looks possibly like an older one.
It is nice.
Look at that. Ooh, look at this chair right here. And look at this other antique piece of furniture right here. I didn't hear you. Duffel bag. Look at this. This unit's better than you think it is. That one's gonna be tough. I think the cubicles are like $1,000 online. Me personally. Please be an antique photo. Picasso.
It's interesting. Look at how it's stringed up. Only people in their 50s did that. Only old people do that.
Just slide it over and slip it out.
That's what she said.
Don't you know how to slip it out?
That's what she said.
That was cool. The print.
Tapestry.
Yeah, Afghani type stuff. This goes along with that other stuff that they had. Oh, some prints. Come on, $1 million art. It's been a while since I found $1 million art.
It's only been a lifetime.
This one was cool. Look.
Me so lonely. Hey, it's not locked.
Come on, $1 million.
It's interesting. Hey, Swiss bag. This looks good.
Camera.
I'll save that for last.
Hoo, come on, jewelry.
No, it's a clock.
What kind of clock?
It's a cool clock.
It actually is kind of cool. Is it a West clock?
I can't read. My eyes are getting bad.
Well, it looks like it might have some money. a value.
A value?
You know, like some value to it.
Alright, come on, Joey. iPods, CDs.
Tavani's.
What's good?
Tavani's. CDs.
Istanbul.
Okay.
Alright, we still gotta open up the good box here.
It's alright, stuff. Not bad for a $5 unit.
This is a nice bag. This is a nice bag. It's nice.
It was till I broke it.
No, it still works.
No.
I can still zip it in. That's all I care about. Oh. I have this over here. That's what I heard.
Tapes. This gives me the feeling of somebody who's lived out of this country.
Absolutely.
Just the way that people pack. They pack a certain way.
That was a big letdown. It's locked. I don't want to break this one. Ooh.
Incense. Good luck, incense. I haven't burned incense in a while.
Don't break the bag on this one. We need to.
That's actually kind of cool. That has potential of being like a $15, $20 shirt on eBay. $2004.
Almost vintagey. So good shirt.
Jewelry box. Ah. Jewelry bag.
One time, dude. One time. Oh, dude. Don't touch us. This is a
Bears love people. Dude, we found a Persian rug.
Yeah, this is adorable.
You know what? I want that. You know what it is? It's a mouse pad.
Oh, yeah.
That's dope. I'm gonna use that on my computer. I'm gonna be locked into my computer for days here pretty soon.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. No, no, no.
She really liked her CDs.
She was hanging out shorts.
This is cool. Reminds me of like a Michael Basquiat. I don't think it's real. I think it's a print, but I bet you it's a print of a really expensive piece of art. It's almost nice. Old.
That's temple type whole designs with the little.
Yeah. It's like a throne. It's like a king's throne. Look at that. They look newer. I need a paycheck. That's a $15 drill, Scott.
I get 7.
You gonna get 17 for it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold you. That's a nice drill bit set.
Then you can come and film it.
Are those bodies? No. Oof.
The Franklin Mint gold coins we've been waiting forever for.
No.
No.
Close. Personal documents, eh?
Franklin Covey, not Franklin
No,
Mint.
I don't think we can classify those as personal. It's a nice little table. Ooh, what is it? It is like 6:30, 7:40, 52 in the afternoon. We're all finally done. Unit loaded up, ready for the market. Half my trailer, all of Scott's big truck, and we're done. Scott, I think we're gonna make money on this $5 unit.
Maybe $7.50. $7.50. $7.50.
Oh,
So about $1.25 each.
I think a little more positive than Scott. I see nothing but profit. We paid $5 for it. There's a few things that need to go on the internet to be sold. The rest will be liquidated at the market and on to the next one.